Why not making by your hand rather than simply buying a bag of chocolates to give your loved one? Take a little time and prepare these homemade chocolate hearts served as a sweet surprise. So let's begin. You need 2 tablespoons chopped almond and cashew, half teaspoon like butter. Saute for a minute on low flame or until the cashew and almond leaves a beautiful fragrance. I am using vanillin white compound for this recipe. This is nearly about 300 grams. Roughly chop the compound and microwave for melting it. You may also melt the chocolate on a double boiler. Microwave chocolate in 30-second interval until melted, stirring in between. Stirring will ensure the chocolate does not burn. The compound has melted quite well. There should remain no lumps of chocolate. Add 1 tablespoon melted butter. You can also use white oil. Keep stirring. Once it is mixed well, add the color. For chocolates, you need oil-based food color. Adding 3 drops of red gel color. Mix until the color dissolves. For more brightness, add few more drops of gel color and mix well. Add the roasted almonds and cashew. Mix well again and allow it to cool completely. This is a silicone chocolate mold. You can get it online or any raw material store where you can get all the baking items. Pour the melted chocolate into the mold. Clear the edges of the dribbled chocolate. Tap lightly to remove air bubbles. Place the mold in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Once they have hardened, pop them out of the mold. Chocolate is the one gift that expresses love and delight in every bite. The remaining melted chocolate has got slightly hardened up, so we'll microwave for 30 seconds. Pour some drops of red gel color to the mold and brush evenly with a paintbrush. This is the consistency after I have microwaved for 30 seconds. Pour the melted chocolate as done with the first batch of chocolates. After 20 minutes, remove from the refrigerator. Demold the chocolate by pressing the mold on the counter. Chocolate is the one gift that expresses love and delight in every bite. The tinge of red color came out so bright. Take 2 tablespoons of melted white chocolate. Drizzle the chocolate using your fingers. This will give a nice look to the chocolate hearts. You can store these wonderful chocolates in an airtight container up to a month in a refrigerator. It's the perfect gift for Valentine's Day. It's actually very easy to make, so don't worry and give a try. Take a time to make something unique for the ones that are very special in your life. If you like this recipe, make sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to know how you went. If you have enjoyed watching the recipe, please do subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for more updates. Until next time, happy cooking!